Are you a fresher and searching for a job? Or a confused student who can't figure out the right course to grow their career? Or you are a working professional who wants to grow their career and get a higher salary package? Or you just don't know what kind of job you can get according to your skills and qualifications? Well, you are not alone. The sense of confusion while choosing a career or what course to take for upskilling is a very common thing for students and working professionals in India. The unemployment scenario in India is complex, and one of the main issues is the lack of skilled professionals in the job market. Despite India's large population of yearly college graduates, most of them lack the skills that employers are looking for. Let's have a look at some data. According to the research conducted by the National Sample Survey Office, the unemployment rate in India has been steadily increasing, reaching a 45-year high of 6.1% in 2017 to 20. This data also shows that the unemployment rate is highest among the educated youth, with college graduates facing a higher unemployment rate than those with less education. And also, according to this report, around 400 million Indians will be requiring reskilling by 2030. And as per a report by the National Skill Development Corporation, the Indian workforce will require an additional 100 to 130 million skilled workers by 2024. Well, what does this data tells us? Just the one thing. Career counseling and upskilling are required heavily in our country. And this is a very big problem, but don't worry, we have a solution. And the solution is Careerfly. Well, just like a cricketer needs a coach, a gym trainer needs a dietitian, and a patient a doctor. Similarly, in India, students and working professionals require the guidance of a career counselor. A career counselor who can understand your pros and cons and guide you towards a suitable upskilling course so that you can get your dream job and a higher salary package easily. We have more than 10 years of expertise in the field of career counseling, and keeping in mind the current scenario of the Indian education system, Careerfly has designed such upskilling programs so that you achieve quick career growth. Well, how do we help you? Careerfly provides you the opportunity to resolve any career-related query, such as, is your salary enough according to the skills and qualifications you have? Which upskilling program should you choose to enhance your skills? What is your preferred industry to work in? And how can you plan your career ahead? As if you want to work in the marketing domain or in the finance industry, or if you are searching for work from home jobs, you can even search programs and certifications according to your personality traits. Careerfly equips you with skills through which you can fill the huge gap between colleges and your preferred industry and get your dream job. And you can also ask many such questions through which you can achieve a higher salary package and a dream job quickly. What are the benefits you get with Careerfly? Careerfly provides you with the benefits that make sure your career growth a guaranteed outcome. Benefits such as a personalized career counselor and free lifetime career counseling, interview and resume preparation, leading corporate placement programs, Indo-American professionals and trainers, 100% placement guarantee and lifetime placement assistance, skill development programs, work from home job programs, upskilling courses for the latest industry tools and software, and up to 100% money back guarantee. And if you live in a tier 2 or tier 3 city where secondary skills such as corporate level communication skills, basic computer skills and aptitude skills are not that easy to get, then Careerfly provides you these basic but very important skills too. Additionally, Careerfly gives you free skills and training required to crack any interview like a pro. Corporate communication training, personality development, and many much more. So what are you waiting for? Book your counseling session today, check your eligibility, get up to 100% pay after placement options, learn the required hiring skills, get your job preparation, and get the guaranteed placement. So don't wait anymore and give wings to your career. Careerfly.